it was very specific. It was saying this election was not just about a victory.
Okay.
It was saying you might, yes, meet the 50+1 percentage, but then the law is quite clear that on that as well, you have to meet another threshold, not just you, by the way, because you have to meet the 50+1 percentile. Good. Put it on the side.
Okay.
Then after that, they'll ask you, did you get majority support from the 25+ constituencies? If you met that, good, fine. Then they will ask, did the IEBC also meet what the law states on this particular one?
Okay.
If they did not meet it, then the court is going to make a ruling on that as well, because they said the election is a process, not the declaration of this final results. So we're going to wait and see, because the law will be clear on that. And if you looked at the way that the four commissioners then dissented, they said, we didn't like what the process has been so far. In fact, they complained about the process being opaque.
Right.
And I also did hear CJ, Mother Kome, ask, why did the National Returning Officer, that is the IBC chair, Wafula Chebukati, assign other duties to the four commissioners who are part of IEBC. So when you look at these issues, that's exactly what's going to come out in terms of this ruling that we're expecting today from 12 noon. And it's going to be very, very interesting then to see how the courts are going to make that ruling on that. But and we do know what the law states, that indeed the current president still will continue to be president until the next president-elect is sworn in. So as far as we are concerned, Brian Amoy, it's not like once then they rule that IEBC has to be reconstituted again, that we would say, well, we don't know exactly what's going to happen. No, because we don't know what the law states. That if they say, well, it's going to be 2 years for these other commissions to be in office then before they conduct another election, then that means that the current president continues to hold office for the next foreseeable future until they reconstitute the IEBC as well.
All right. Now, but at this particular point, he has limited powers in regards to that. So the question that people were asking was, if at all we are going to reconstitute